Hi guys and welcome back to the channel. For today guys, we are checking out this project. Okay, we have astrocat.ai and we are on their website. Okay, so Astrocat guys is a 100% okay token focused on fun, and of course we have here shared value powered by its community. It's more than just a meme. Okay, so Astrocat, okay, the birth of Astrocat. Astrocat, once a small stargazer, okay, became, where is it? Okay, a world-renowned astrologer trusted by millions for his cosmic insights and horoscopes. Okay, so explore Astrophi's stellar offerings. So they are all in here. Dive into the unique collection of Astrophi products that mix the mystical with the meme. Whether you're searching for wisdom or just good love, we've got something for you. So it is under Solana chain. Step into the Astrophi universe. Okay, ready for a cosmic adventure? Join us in the Astrophi galaxy, where memes and stars collide. Say hello to Astrocat and explore a world of fun powered by Solana. So find Astrocat on Telegram, guys. It says in here, it is now available. So just click in here on our Telegram. Just look for here, guys, okay, Astrocat official, and this is the community for Astrocat AI. Okay, and then on their social media, guys, we could check it in here. Okay, new exclusive gem AstroFiCat has been posted by Tencent.io. First Tencent gem on Solana, 4 million FDB, 100% TGE, 24-hour claim back policy. So IDO, mark your calendar, guys, begins November 28, and then DEX launch will be December 2. So make sure to check out for this one. And of course, follow AstroFiCat on their social media. Okay. Now in here, guys, this is their documentation. Astrocat Astrology Master. We have their pitch deck in here. Okay, about Astrocat, it is all in here. So total crypto market cap by years. So we have it in here. Okay, 3 trillion by this year 2024. Now all about Astrocat is in here. Meme, ecosystem, Solana, Telegram bot, and astrology. This one, guys, I think will be good because they will have their own Telegram bot that will be incorporated for this project. So they could acquire more users. So make sure to check out for this one. Telegram features daily horoscope, tarot card readings, fortune telling, numerology reports, and then we have here their astronomics, okay, or their tokenomics in here. And then astronomics, it is set in here, pre-sale, liquidity and exchanges, and also for the total. Astromedia, okay, we have it in here currently for X and for the Telegram, and then Astromap. Go to the market strategy. You could pause in this one, guys, or go into their website to click on the necessary links to get more details on in-depth information for the project. Astrocat, okay, revenue models, they're in here. So you could read, guys, okay, social media influencer, Telegram, financial astrology, in-app purchases, advertising, premium subscriptions, and then unique collaboration and opportunities, strong diversified financial foundation. Now, again, guys, it is in here, astronomics. Okay, you could check it in here. 37.5 and then 62.5 Tencent exclusive. It is set in here. Now, for the white paper, you could read them as well. Just go into the website, guys, docs.astrocat.meme, and then you could read from the story to the summary. Okay, what is the Astrocat, how to use. Okay, Astrocat is a fun and interactive Telegram application that provides personalized astrological insights, including horoscope, tarot cards, and so much more, guys. So, here's the guide. Okay, join the Astrocat Telegram bot and then set your preferences. Choose a service. There you go. And then ask for your reading, engage, and explore. Stay connected, and then economics, and you can follow them in terms of their social media, X, Telegram, and also for Medium. Now, again, what's good about this is that through the Telegram mini app, guys, okay, Astrocat will form partnership with other projects and platforms. So if you're familiar with the other minings, we all know a lot of projects are incorporated already as mini app on Telegram. So probably Some of them will be incorporated as partners, so make sure and watch out for those announcements. Partners can integrate their services and receive dedicated sections within the app, helping expand AstroCat's user base. So it is a partnership within other projects on Telegram. So basically, guys, it is just a matter of time for this project to blow up perhaps. Revenue source, partnership fees, and then referral commissions. Okay, you could check as well in-app purchases and then premium subscriptions as well. Now, for this one, guys, okay, we have here AstroCat exclusive gem. We told you that the Launchpad was going to be getting busy. We are excited to reveal the first of the several projects already lined up for the launching and exclusive launch with Tencent and our first ever gem on Solana. Introducing AstroCat, a cosmic AI-powered companion, okay, on the blockchain. The Tencent, okay, community has been asking, okay, for exclusive launches, new blockchains, lower FDBs, and less vesting. And we have listened, AstroCat will launch on Solana. IDO exclusive on Tencent users with an FDB of 4 million and with zero vesting. 100% of tokens will be unlocked and TGE on top of this. The 24-hour claim back, okay, policy will also be enabled. The launch will take place on the DEX at the beginning of December. So the IDO will begin next week. So right away, guys. So make sure to check out for this one. Read on below for the exact timeline and important project information. Launch timeline, November 27, 6 p.m. UTC snapshot. Okay? To determine eligible Launchpad users, November 28, 11 a.m. UTC round 1 of IDO, guaranteed allocation for the 24 hours. November 29, 2 p.m. UTC round 2 of IDO, FCFS, December 2 launch on DEX. Welcome to AstroCat, where astrology meets cutting-edge AI and blockchain technology built on the Solana blockchain. AstroCat bridges the timeless fascination of the cosmos and transformative potential of Web3. More than a token, it's an interactive product-backed ecosystem designed to make astrology fun, personalized, and accessible. What's AstroCat all about? AstroCat is an AI-powered astrology platform for the Web3 era. Whether you're seasoned enthusiast or new to the stars, AstroCat offers the following: daily horoscope, tarot card readings, numerology, and then new fortune telling as well. So you could read them more, guys, and then make sure to check out for this one, especially on the website to keep updated. And of course, follow them, guys, on their social media of all the things for the update in terms of AstroFiCat. So we have here, guys, okay, currently on the social media, they have 49.3 followers, and make sure to watch out for announcement and some events that are up and coming, guys. So that's it, guys, for the project, okay, AstroCat.ai. Make sure to follow them in terms of their social media to keep updated. And again, guys, if you are here on the channel, make sure that you're subscribed. That's it for now. See ya.